In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Google AdSense account. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, logging into AdSense is a straightforward process that ensures you can manage your account efficiently. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the steps, ensuring you have a seamless login experience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google AdSense homepage. You can do this by entering Google AdSense into your search engine, and it should be one of the top results, or you can use the direct link to adsense.google.com. This page is the gateway to managing your advertising, monetizing content, and accessing insightful analytics about your website's performance. If you're unfamiliar with the layout of the AdSense site, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're on the Google AdSense homepage, the next step is to find and click on the Sign In button. You'll typically see this in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the login page. It's important to make sure you're signing into the correct account to access the right AdSense details, so paying close attention at this stage can prevent confusion later on. The page will now ask you to select an account to log in with. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll see them listed here. Choose the account that's associated with your AdSense profile. Clicking on the correct account will prompt you to enter your credentials if they are not already saved. Enter your password carefully, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. If prompted, you may also need to complete a security step for verification. This might involve entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. This additional step ensures your account's security, especially if you're logging in from a new or unrecognized device. After successfully entering your credentials, you should now be redirected to your Google AdSense dashboard. From here, you have access to all the tools and information you need to manage your ads, check your account balance, and track your earnings. And that's all there is to it. Logging into your Google AdSense account is a simple process once you know where to go. If you ever encounter issues, make sure to check your internet connection and ensure you're entering the correct login details. Happy monetizing, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.